How do we build a presence on LinkedIn for a business? As every other platform, for LinkedIn as well, it is very important for you to know your audience. If you know your audience, you know how to attract the members who fit your customer personality. You can study their profiles and identify the subjects that they follow. This will help you decide how to position your page and the content that you put on the page to attract new customers. The next important thing is to create an information hub. While building the company page, make sure that it is acting like a destination for all the members to learn more about your business. This page should act like an information hub where they get every possible information about your business, about the category of your business, etc. A very important thing to consider is to make your page easy to find on LinkedIn. By adding details like your company domain links, descriptions of the different value propositions of your business will help you build your page strongly and it will attract the right people. It is also advisable to add existing online properties by linking your page to the company website, to the blog and any other social platforms that your business is present on. Let us now understand how to create a business page on LinkedIn. We'll look at these steps to create the company page on LinkedIn. You first need to log into your LinkedIn profile and then click on the Interest tab that you see on the home screen. This companies section is available under the Interest tab that you see on the top bar of the page. Once you have clicked on that, it will ask you to add your company by filling in all necessary details. It will first ask you to fill in the company name and the email address of your company. It will also ask you to verify if you are one of the representatives of the company and have all the rights from the company to do this creation of the page on LinkedIn. Once you click submit, you are then allowed to create your company page and update other information. You need to upload the logo, the banner image or the cover image and the details about your company profile. Please make sure the images used by you are high resolution images because if any individual finds your page and the logo or the cover picture of the LinkedIn page appears blurred, it will give a very negative impression about your business. You are now ready with your company page. Let us now see how will we market your business with LinkedIn. Marketing with LinkedIn is a little different from the different other social platforms. LinkedIn being a niche platform, it is important for you to find correct and targeted customers and connections. Post high quality content which could go viral or catch the attention of these connections on LinkedIn. Use various paid options like sponsored updates to let your content reach to a wider audience. Make sure that your LinkedIn presence acts as a face to your employees. You can do this by getting maximum participation of your employees on your LinkedIn page where they, as the brand advocates, talk to you and your customers on behalf of the brand. Join various groups and stay active in these groups. You can also create your own LinkedIn group. By joining these groups or creating a group, you can start interacting with the different audience on LinkedIn about the different aspects of your business, about your category or your industry. Start adding as many connections as you can, but make sure these are all highly targeted customers and build relationships with these customers. One of the most important points to note is avoid hard selling on LinkedIn. The more you try to sell, the more you go away from your audience. Make sure your content is interactive, is quality content and informative.